Lifting Solutions is the industry-leading provider of continuous rod products and services. From research and development to design, quality, and precision manufacturing, our endless rod products outperform the market. Manufacturing starts with sourcing premium coils of steel from mills that follow vigorous quality standards and requirements. Each coil of steel is serialized and barcoded. We manufacture our endless rod in 3 precise metallurgies with various grades of strength. Each material and grade is available in 5 different diameters, ranging from 3/4 of an inch to the industry's largest diameter, 1 3/16 of an inch. Each grade and size is designed for a multitude of well conditions for reciprocating rod lift and progressing cavity pump applications. The first step of the manufacturing process occurs on line 1, where coils of raw steel are straightened and welded together using a specialized welding process. Here, 11 coils are joined together to form a production run equivalent to 2 full transport reels of finished endless rod. Each production run yields approximately 10,500 to 13,000 feet of endless rod, depending on the diameter. The assembled production run from line 1 is held in a production spool where it waits for the next manufacturing stage. The second step is heat treating through a quench and temper process on line 2. Here, each grade of raw steel is heat treated to achieve a base, mid, or high-strength finished product with the desired mechanical properties. The first phase of the heat treatment is austenizing, the induction and heating of the raw steel to nearly 1,000 degrees Celsius. The steel is then immediately and rapidly cooled using a water quench process. The quenched rod now has a martensitic microstructure, which is hard but brittle. The second phase of heat treating is tempering, which gives the rod the desired ductility while retaining hardness. The rod is precisely reheated in a second induction heater to achieve the desired balance between ductility and hardness. The temperature here ranges between 500 to 750 degrees Celsius, depending on the designed mechanical properties specifications. Then the rod is slowly cooled in an ambient environment along the length of the production line. Once the tempering process has been completed, the endless rod is cooled with a second quench system, allowing it to be safely handled. Lastly, the rod is shot peened. Shot peening removes any residual oxidation and imposes a pre-stressed skin on the exterior of the rod to improve the mechanical properties and performance in the demanding downhole conditions of a reciprocating or progressing cavity pump lifted well. The entire heat treating process operates at a constant speed and is continuously monitored with a state-of-the-art control system. This data is collected in real time and is stored in a digital product tracking system to support manufacturing and finished good quality and traceability. Line 3 is where we perform final inspection to ensure the quality and integrity of the rod meets Lifting Solutions standards. Our eddy current inspection system can detect surface discontinuities such as dents, scabs, and cracks from the raw material. This state-of-the-art non-contact system has 2 separate inspection heads, encircling and rotating, that are capable of capturing transverse and longitudinal surface discontinuities. The inspection data is captured in real time and is integrated into the product track system to ensure product traceability directly back to the steel mill. An atmospheric inhibitor is then applied to the rod to protect the surface from the ambient environment and resist oxidization. The rod is then spooled into a transport reel, properly secured and prepared for delivery. Every production run undergoes in-depth quality assurance testing to ensure mechanical properties are met. Data is collected, managed, and assessed using our digital product track system. Wells are becoming more corrosive. Our team of engineers and technical specialists have designed a solution to combat this: coated endless rod. The coated endless rod product can withstand the harsh realities of oil and gas wells and is proven to outperform in the market. Our fourth line is where Lifting Solutions applies its proprietary coating technologies to produce the patented coated endless rod. The coated endless rod is a product designed to mitigate corrosion fatigue and increase performance in corrosive and abrasive environments. Due to its proprietary nature, details about our manufacturing process are not shared. Through trials and client performance results, we see increased run times and reduced failures, meaning less service and, ultimately, a decrease in operating expenses.